Solid. There you go. Wow.
Yeah! Hell yeah, dude. What's up, Brown Lifers? We're here at Wellington. What is it?
Wilmington.
Wilmington in North Carolina, and we're fishing the ocean. I'm here with Mariah's husband and Mariah, and we're gonna have a good old time today. Folks, this is my first cast into the Atlantic Ocean. Right? I have hit a fucking duck before. Really? Yeah. Hey! Spanish, bro. Hey! Mission accomplished! Let's go, bro! Something big will bite. Yeah, I was just gonna say that. Oh, there's flashes all around it. Maybe something's running, something's chasing. Dude, look at all those flashes. Those might be blues. There it is, folks.
Yeah, gooey. Oh, sharp little bastards.
Fast motherfuckers. And there it is.
Get him up. Rod him up. Rod him up. Yep. Just keep it all the way up, like it's almost straight. There you go. And just bring him in. Let's go. Let's go. Damn, that was out there. Yup, right in the mouth. I don't think that's a mackerel. Blue. Yeah. No. Oh no, the drag. It's all right. It's all right. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. You're good. The line's good enough. You won't break it. Michaela on a fish. That looks like a decent one. That looks like a decent one. Hey, whoa, it's a fucking sole or a flounder. Get it up. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh no! That still counts. I got it on camera. You're good. You're good. Yeah, everybody, just wave at the camera. All right, we're out of here, folks.